These are my strategies for today's market, part 3. Keep current on the comps. The comps 60 days back, 90 days back, 120 days back, they don't matter anymore. It's what's right now, what's on the market right now, and what's selling right now. Stay current. Network with agents. As you know, so many properties are not listed. So knowing what is in other agents' pockets is extremely important. Network. Build your network of agents. Build your relationships. Networking with agents is more important than ever right now. Make sure that you're in the right circle of agents and that you're in the know. Know the market better than anybody. Study it. Keep notes. Know what's on the market, off the market, what's selling, what's not selling, why it's not selling. Know the anecdotal information behind every single sale. Know the buyers. Know what's happening. Follow interest rates. Know everything. Be super professional right now. I would hold an open house every single weekend. I would put my signs everywhere. I would do the mega open house. I would invite everybody in the neighborhood, serve food, do everything you can to get the largest crowd possible, and do it on a regular basis. It is extremely good for your visibility in your marketplace. Now you've seen all 3 videos. You've seen my individual strategies. Execute on them. Don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze. My 50 years of experience guarantees your success.